In Memphis. Memphis International Raceway, MIR. We got a couple YouTube cars out here. Let's see what we're working with. 101 YouTube Toro 704. Got a couple SRTs. They bringing our little SRTs out. I tried to get a little footage with the drone a while ago. My reception ain't right. So look out, Liddy is in the building, guys. They are Liddy. We got a GT350. I don't know if y'all know about these, but these, I like these, some different sounding monsters right here. They made this little motor, I think it's a 5, I forgot what size it is, but I do remember it had a flat plane crank in it. And that made it make a little different noise when it's going down the track compared to the other sounds that we be making with our LS motors. And I don't know, I think they got the flat plane crank from the Ferraris or something. Okay, bam, we got this right here. Bob's Billy, appreciate the sub, man. Appreciate the sub. I should have been live, man. I was trying to get the drone to work and do something special and all that, man. It didn't all the way work out for me. I hope some of y'all got the chance to see it. Wide Body Nation right here.
It's a complicated car, man.
Okay.
Having a hell of a time.
You say it's a complicated car.
It's not just the engine either, it's the trans. It's got a dual clutch.
Okay.
The trans to learn the new shifts when you double the power.
Yeah.
On these new GM cars that's some computer nerd shit that I can't figure out. So.
Oh, okay.
It's not easy. Like I've got a Subi, I think it's not easy to turn. You know, Hellcats. They all kind of play the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, you left on that, must say.
That's why I like dig racing. The 8.
Yeah.
Yeah, you left us out there, but you get on brakes first.
I don't run.
I thought it got. I'm gonna get up.
Okay, what's up with it, Twisted Soul? Let me see. Let me show y'all what's else over here, man. I thought I was live early. I'm over here thinking I'm doing something. You hear me? I'm talking and everything, thinking I'm showing everybody something. They ain't seeing nothing. So let me go redo everything I done did. Alright, y'all. Here go Demonology car right here. I mean, damn. Donk Master. That's the Donk Master with the Ruchis. They say the Ruchi get you coochie. Ruchi get you coochie. Hey. Let's see. This the Black Blur. What's up, Nicodemus? They got the Black Blur out here. Got it looking pretty good. Okay. Next, we got Demonology. They got him working in that laptop right now. Trying to make sure what. Man, I think my gimbal already. Alright, DJ, y'all don't make me leave you a review now. Nah, I got AT&T. Is everything going good, the old dog? How's the picture? How's the picture, old dog? Do I need to consider Verizon again? You know I had them before. AT&T been doing alright as I go different places, I shall say, man. They been acting alright. I got this phone on 4G only. Yeah, I don't even let it be on 5G. I put it on 4G. All the way from E-Dollar. Boy, he know. He know. Picture is great, Nicodemus. Okay. Already look. They got them slicks on there, man. Who make them? Neo Sport? Neo Terra 305 35 24. Slicks, y'all. Golly, they did that. Team Thundercock back in the building. Team Thundercock. Yeah. So right now we at the National Donk Racing Association. NDRA. Hey. All this custom stuff, man. Ooh-wee. Got the green belt on there. Hey. No filter. Okay, y'all. We got everything. Next right here we got this Tesla. Yeah, the Donk Racing Association. They say these the tires warmers, y'all. Excuse me. Have y'all seen a parachute on a Tesla yet? Grandma, that's Supercharged. Yeah. When Demonology come out, y'all, they make all the people that got a Hemi want to come on out. I watched a guy on YouTube putting a V8 in a Tesla. Oh, that ought to be looking crazy looking, but alright. In case y'all ain't seen in one of these. Hell, I really ain't. What do you got? Okay. Yeah, it look alright. Talking about Godspeed. Okay. Oh, this Godspeed too. It'd probably be cheaper to make a Tesla go fast if you put a V8 in it. Besides trying to buy a plaid version. Got a parachute too. From Louisiana. Okay. Well, ain't nobody running that wheat gas out here. Everybody got them some good gas. All I smell is E90.